What's up, advocates? We're here at Noble Wealth. Noble Wealth is run and owned by Jeremy David, and Jeremy is my personal accountant and personal friend, and he is one of our partners at Commercial Claims Advocate, and I'm looking at the camera and whoever's watching this to tell you that you are crazy if you do not hire Jeremy to take care of your taxes. He also does wealth planning and everything like that. But for me, what he's done is basically save me, I'm not kidding, hundreds of thousands of dollars. He went back into old tax returns and got me over $100,000 that I overpaid in the past. This is a true story. And if you don't have, Rich Dad Poor Dad talks about having a team. You want to have a good accountant. You want to have a good, like realtor. These are the teams that you need in your personal life to make sure that you are establishing wealth. This is the number one guy that you need, and he has helped me tremendously from the bottom of my heart. He really, really has, and I'm so happy to have him as a partner. And to walk us through, we're going to walk through his entire office today. You're going to get to meet Jeremy and get to know him a little bit more. But I just wanted to start this video off by telling you need to get somebody, if not Jeremy, somebody like Jeremy on your team to make sure you're doing everything right, running your business and just running your life. So enjoy. See you later. Bye-bye.
Jeremy David, Noble Tax Strategies and Wealth Planning. Here to help you, right? What do? We put more money back in your pocket. We keep you from donating to the IRS. If you want to be able to save thousands in taxes, you need to reach out to us. We provide free consultations, one-on-one individualized service. We're not out there just being reactive, taking your information and entering it into our systems. We're gonna go in deep. We're gonna take a really deep look into your finances. That way we can actually identify all the ways we can save more money. Keep more money in your pocket for your business, for your family, for you. That way you can do the things that you wanna do. Again, Jeremy David, Noble Tax Strategies and Wealth Planning. Give us a call, 813-395-8927. Free consultation. Only commitment is an hour or so of your time.
I would say that working at Noble Wealth has been a fantastic opportunity. I would say that what we do on a daily basis just comes down to helping businesses sort of streamline their financials as well as optimize their time and really focus on what drives revenue for their businesses. My favorite part of the job is saving people money. Some of the tax implications of people filing their taxes incorrectly, overpaying the IRS, it's terrible, and this is an opportunity to save them money. I would say my quick tip is, in terms of tax implications, get ahead of it on the front end at the beginning of the year. Get with someone like Jeremy and Noble Wealth and Tax and kind of put a strategy together in place and plan ahead for taxes rather than try to get to it at the end of the year and hopefully be able to take some sort of deduction.
A lot of it comes down to how a company's structured. So a lot of individuals, they get an LLC and we're going to save on taxes. But a single member LLC actually doesn't do anything in regards to taxes. It provides liability protection, right? But there's other steps that you would need to take. So one is setting up to be as an S Corp, which we have you set up to be an S Corp. The benefit of that is we'll use some simple math, right? So let's say you have $100,000 in net profit. If you're a single member LLC, you're disregarded in the eyes of the IRS. That is going to get taxed on your Schedule C of your personal return. $100,000, 15.3% self-employment tax, $15,300. However, if we set you up as an S Corp, the IRS says we have to pay you a reasonable salary. It's about 35% is what we end up setting you up as. We had to put you on a W-2 for that amount. However, once we accomplish that, the remainder of that $100,000 that I use as an example, you get to take as a distribution to the owner, avoiding self-employment tax on that amount. Simple math, $100,000, that's about $8,300 in tax savings from that one strategy alone.
From that one strategy, and there's many, many more.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's awesome. And you were telling me now that you're starting to specialize in contractors, huh?
Yeah, a lot of contractors. So working with public adjusters now all over the country. and a lot of other individuals within that scope or industry, right? People in water mitigation, roofers, but all of it does come with the relationships with the public adjusters.
What do you feel is different with your experience? Is there anything different? Do you feel like anything different with contractors in the roofing industry or with the public adjusting industry?
A lot of y'all you're really good at what you do, right? The number aspect kind of gets pushed to the side.
But we're terrible at this part.
Well, fortunately, that's why I have a job.
Right, exactly.
Y'all are really good at going out there and driving revenue and bringing revenue into your household, your business, so forth. Things on the financial side, I'll get to it later. But by doing that, you're setting yourself up to pay more taxes. A lot of times, too, people are just 1099, right? And they're operating as independent contractors, so they're not structuring themselves properly, getting that LLC, setting yourself up as an S Corp. Just the small little steps, right? They're not staying on top of their books. One of the easiest things to do is set up a QuickBooks.
Right.
Whether you attempt to do it yourself, whether you use a firm like ours, or go on Upwork or somewhere like that, but find somebody to handle your books.